Hello everyone, my name is Victor with Forex. Hope you had a wonderful trading week. Well, for us, we didn't really do much due to the slowdown of price after the US election. Alright, however, I have three pairs to analyze this for the coming week, and if you are new to this channel, please like, subscribe and share our content so that you get notified. Okay, and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we post new content, new informative content as this. Okay, so the first pair on my list is the AUD card, and that's what you see on my screen right now. This is the AUD card daily time frame. And if you followed us last week, you will remember that I analyzed this pair last week when the price was somewhere around here. Yes, when this candle from this big white candle, I analyzed this pair just at the close of this big last candle last week Friday. And what I said was that I expect price to make a pullback to the downside to somewhere around these levels. I said I wanted to see price pull back to somewhere around here, and that's exactly what happened. We saw price pull back to this level, and this is the area where we should expect to be taking the pair. That's to be buying this pair to the upside, because here we had resistance. This area had resistance a couple of times. You can see it here also as resistance, and if you look here, you see that it's acting as support. And definitely after a clear break of the level like this, we want to see a retest of the level, which is actually what happened. And when price got back to that level, you can see it acted as support once again, rejecting the level to the upside with this very big bullish candle. And this candle is what we refer to as an engulfing candle in the forex market, and this really says a lot because it shows that the buyers are back, the bullish pressure is back on, and buyers are ready to continue with the bullish move. Okay, so what do we expect going into next week? We're going into Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay, well, for Monday we want to see another pullback. We want to see, although we're expecting this bullish move, this green candle to continue to the upside to somewhere around here first of all. But the market most of the time doesn't just move in a straight line, it moves in waves. So we are likely to see price come back to somewhere around this the midpoint of this candle. Let's take it somewhere around here. So we are likely to see price pull back to somewhere around here once again before that move materializes to the upside. And this will be clearly seen on 4 hours. I will switch over to 4 hours and let's see if I can get a clearer view. Okay, so this is the 4-hour time frame, and you can, from here you can clearly see how price made this corrective move back to the downside to retest this major level, just like I said last week. And then from here, if you are an aggressive trader, you would have taken this pair after this pin bar, this bullish pin bar here, and if you had done that, definitely you would have been in the market for a very good move. And but if you are not yet in trade, not to worry, because definitely there will be pullbacks. That's one characteristic of the market. And now, since we have this move already that has started to the upside, this bullish move that has already commenced to the upside, we want to see price make another pullback again. This is something that you always expect in the forex market. We want to see another pullback to somewhere around this region, because if you look backwards, you will see some activity around here. You can see here this area acted as support here, and here acted as a minor resistance. So we are likely to see another pullback here to retest as support once again before the next bullish move to the upside. Before we see the next bullish move to the upside. So that's what I want to see on AUD card. One pullback again, intraday pullback, however, on daily. That's on this 4-hour time frame before the next move to the upside. So that's what I expect to see on the AUD card going into next week. Okay, so I'll move on to the next one on the list now, which is pound yen. And pound yen is doing something similar to what AUD card has done, which I've just spoken about. And you can see that this area is a minor, is even a major resistance. But you can see how price rejected it using daily candles in back in October. And if you look backwards, you see that same region acting as support right here. And then definitely now that price is around that level, we expect it to also still act as support for a fuel for foiling the move to the upside. And of course, although we want to see that move to the upside, we may not just get it straight. We may get a move first to these previous highs around here. This previous high around here, we are likely to see a move back down, back to this level first of all. Then due to the selling pressure around here, we are likely to see another pullback. Another pullback somewhere to this level before, if the bullish pressure is very strong, then we can get the break to the upside. So this is what I expect to see on pound JPY from daily time frame. Once see that first few couple of daily candles materialize and see price move to this previous level of resistance. Once see price move to this previous level, and it's actually a very big move, even though it's looking small on my chart. If we are to measure this move, we'll have from somewhere around here to the previous highs, we have around 260 pips, which is not one you want to joke with. Okay, so that's it on pound JPY. If we switch to the 4 hours time frame, let's see what we have. On the 4 hour time frame, you can see that the bullish move has already started with this higher highs and higher lows formation. You can see it started from here and it has been making this move to the upside. So we want to see this higher highs and higher lows formation for this move to the upside. So that's what we have on pound JPY. And if you are taking this pair, you have to be very careful. Your stop loss has to be in a strategic position, or else to see whipsaws. Even as slow as the market is right now, we may see some funny moves to the upside or downside. Okay, so that's it for pound JPY. I move on to the next pair on my list now, which is pound USD. And on pound USD, we can see that the bullish move is already on the move, is already up, because if you look here, you can see this bullish trend line that has been in play since May this year, and it's actually a very solid one, because after we saw this move to the upside, we expected this move to continue. However, the price came back to retest this trend line again, which shows how strong that trend line is. Came back to make this retest once again, and before this push to the upside. And even after this push, when these two black candles formed, I was expecting that we will get a deeper pullback to somewhere around this level, most likely, but it didn't happen. It didn't happen, and now we can see that the bullish move is very much in play, because after this pullback, we've seen price make another move to the upside, another pullback with this pin bar, and the next move is likely to continue. So pound USD, from this point, I want to see this move continue to these previous highs around here, and I'm sure that's a very good level as well in terms of pips. Okay, let's see, from somewhere around here to the highs, to the previous high around this level is around 250 pips, which is worth trading. So that's what I expect. That's how I'm going to approach the market come Monday, come next week. Okay, so I'll move on to the 4 hours time frame and see if there's anything to take note of. Okay, the only thing to take note of on the 4 hours time frame is this this previous resistance, which we expect to be broken. But last time price got to this level, you can see the fierce rejection to the downside. So now on price approaching this level, we may see another fierce rejection to the downside again. And although we don't want to see that, but it's just the harsh reality of the market. We may see this pullback before the price breaks it to the upside and continues the move to the upside. Okay, but if you want to be careful taking this pair, another thing you can do is add a trend line from somewhere around here. Okay, let's see if we can. Okay, it won't work like this, but let's use the most recent levels. We can connect a trend line between here and here, and don't just jump into the market from this resistance level. Wait for a pullback towards the trend line, and then you can have a good opportunity to buy this pair and move along with the market to break the level to the upside. Oh, okay, so that's what we have on the 4 hours time frame. It's a bullish move, and we expect it to continue, and our target is this major resistance level around here. Alright, so that's it for my analysis this week. please bear with us. The market is very slow, hence the reason why we just pick three pairs which we have strong bias in a particular direction, which we believe is going to move in a particular direction because of the because of how slow the market has been for quite some time now. Okay, so if you have questions, please drop them in the comment section. If you want to see us analyze some pairs, please drop them in the comment section as well, and we will find time to analyze those pairs. If you are new to this channel, please like, subscribe, click on the notification bell, share our content so that you get more videos like this, and have a wonderful trading week. This is Victor signing out. Bye.